Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change username on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Now in here, go to account center. Now go to personal details or you can directly go to profiles. Now select the Instagram account. Now go to username section as we want to change our username. Now here you have to type in a sort of username you want to change it to, and make sure your username you change to is available. So if it's not available, there will be a cross sign just in the place of the tick mark. So yeah, this once you are done, just tap on done and your new username will be set. And there is another information I need to tell you, that you need once you change your username, you can't change it for another 14 days. So make sure you do that carefully. Hope this video helped you out, and if you got any questions regarding this, we'll just get back to you and see ya in the next video.